In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious teriyaki chicken recipe that you can enjoy with your steamed rice or veggies. It's super easy. Trust me, you're going to love it. So let's jump right in. Alright, so to make the sauce in a glass, I have half cup of water. To that, I'm going to go ahead to add in 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, then go in with a tablespoon of rice vinegar. To that, I'm gonna go ahead to add in some grated ginger. To that is a teaspoon of brown sugar. This is optional. We'll add in about a tablespoon of chili powder. To that, I'm going to go ahead to add in my 4 minced garlic. Then add in 1 to half teaspoon of cornstarch. I'll go ahead to mix everything together, then set it aside. Now I have 3 boneless chicken thighs that are nicely washed. You can also use chicken breast if you prefer. I'll cut them into bite-sized pieces, okay, so they cook quickly and evenly. In the meantime, I'll take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my returning and new subscribers. I just want to say thank you so much for your love and support. God bless you. And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe and join this amazing family. And thank you so much for subscribing. So once everything is done, I'll transfer it into a bowl, then set it aside. All right, so over a medium heat, I'm going to add in a little oil to a pan, then allow it to heat up. Actually, I added a little too much of the oil at first and I had to pour some out, okay? So remember, just a little goes a long way. Once the oil is hot enough, we'll go ahead to add in my chicken pieces and let it fry until your preferred color, okay? At this point, I went ahead to sprinkle a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, but don't overdo it, okay? Or else the chicken will turn out too salty. Once the chicken is fully cooked, now it's time to pour in our teriyaki sauce we made earlier. Now I'm going to go ahead to stir everything together so the chicken is well coated and let it simmer for a few minutes until the sauce thickens up beautifully. Finally, I'll go ahead to garnish it with some fresh chopped green onions. And our teriyaki chicken is ready. It's delicious. Trust me, you're going to love it. You can enjoy this recipe with your steamed rice or your steamed veggies. You can enjoy every bite, okay? Let me know how it turns out in the comment section when you try. It was so good. Trust me, you're going to love it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious homemade recipes. Until next time, please stay blessed and happy. Bye, guys.